Hi, this is Dean Moss, Dean's Team Chicago, Keller Williams Realty Partners. Here's another Chicago Neighborhood Real Estate Minute. If you're completing a home remodeling project yourself, you can save money for your investment and time. However, there are a few larger projects you should never attempt yourself unless you have the specialized training. First is electrical work. Working on your electrical wiring and panels can be quite dangerous if you don't completely know what you're doing. A skilled electrician will make sure the job is done correctly and is up to code and with the correct city permits. Plumbing. If you attempt to do plumbing work yourself and your pipes don't join together properly, you might end up with a slow, undetectable leak behind your walls. Now that can cause your pipes to freeze in cold weather or cause mold that you can't even see at first. Large tree removal. Professional tree trimmers wear the right protective gear. They have the right training too and have the proper equipment to safely remove and stump out a mature tree. Hire a pro. You'll know the work will be done correctly and you'll stay safe. For more thoughts, read our blog post by clicking the link below. You could leave a comment to contact us, and you can also reach us on Facebook, facebook.com/Chicago Real Estate Team.